Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar and today's date is 23 December 2021 and today's video topic is deadlock and producer consumer problem. So firstly we will see introduction of deadlock in operating system. So what is a deadlock? A process in operating system uses resource in which is a request to resource use the resource and realize the resource. So what is a deadlock? Deadlock is a situation where set process are blocked because each process is holding a resource and waiting for another resource acquired by some other process. So consider example when two trains are coming towards each other in on a same track and there is a only one track. None of trains can move once they are front of each other. So a similar situation occurs in operating system when there are two or more processes that hold some resource and wait for resource and held by others. For example, in process one is holding resource one and waiting for resource two, which is acquired by process two, and process two is waiting for resource first. So deadlock can arise if the following if the four conditions hold simultaneously. So ex- mutual exclusion, one or more than one resource are non-shareable. Only one process can use at a time. So hold and wait. A process is holding at least one resource and waiting for resource. So third one is no prevention. A resource cannot be taken from a process unless the process release the resource. Circular wait. A set of processes are waiting for each other in circular form. Method handling deadlock. There are three ways to handle a deadlock. First one is a deadlock prevent or evidence 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 evidence. The idea is to not let the system into deadlock state. One can zoom into each category individually. Prevention is done by uh, negating one of the above mentioned necessary condition for deadlock. Deadlock dedication and recovery. Detention and recovery. Let deadlock occurs, then do prevention to handle it once occurred. And last one is ignore the problem. Mm, the deadlock is very rare, then it is happen and reboot the system. So what is the example of a deadlock? Deadlock is a first one is a we create a class that class is a one class and we create a class 2 and we create a method in that uh, create a method in that and we will create one method in that. So first is a we'll take a method producer, and second method is a consumer. So first is a consumer consume the let's take a variable of a pen. Let's consume a pen, and producer take give a pen. So uh, producer can producer can giving a pen, and uh, consumer let sell consumer consume the pen, and we will create a second we will create a thread. One thread is a consumer, and second thread is a producer. So producer can extend the thread, and consumer can extend the thread, and we will operate object in shop class into producer and consumer class, and we will create a my class main method, and let's create object of producer and consumer and shop, and print in let's start the thread. So these are the this example is producer and consumer. Thank you.